Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install SonarQube in Windows 10. Firstly, you have to open the Chrome and type download SonarQube and enter, so that you will get this URL. Click on this and click on download for free, so that you will get download this SonarQube application. It's almost 250 to 300 MB. So anyway, I have already downloaded this application. So here you can see by default it will get download in zip format. So when you extract it, you will get in this folder, like this folder. So open that folder and open bin folder. So here you can see the Linux, Mac OS and Windows. It depends on your operating system. You have to open this folder, but we are using the Windows 10. That's why I am opening the Windows folder. So when you open this, you can see the start sonar.bat file. Double click on start sonar.bat file. So now it's start launching. By default, this port number is 9000. If any other application is running with the same port number, you have to change the port number. Even I will show you how to change the port number. So it started running and you just type localhost colon 9000 and enter it. It takes little time to get load. Yeah, now it started loading. So here you can see the login page. Okay, by default your username will be admin and password also admin. Admin login, so that you will get a new window to change the password. The old password is admin. I am changing the new password. Okay, click on update. Yeah, it successfully changed the application. Yeah, now we have successfully installed the SonarQube. So as I told you, we are using the 9000 port number. It's the by default. If we have to change it to the any other port number, okay, we will have a option called. So let's go to the file, open the conf file, and here .sonar.properties file is there. Open that with any file editor. I am opening this with Visual Studio Code. Search for 9000. Yeah, here you can see the 9000 port number. If you have to uncomment this and change the port number 9005 to 9005 and save this. After saving this, you have to stop this SonarQube. Click Ctrl C for Windows. So it's automatically get stopped. Okay, click on Y. Okay, it's fine. So now again open the bin folder and Windows. Double click on start sonar.bat. So it started running. Take little time. I just logged out. Yeah, now it's started with 9005 port number. We just enter localhost 9000. Let's try with 9000. Okay, so you can see it's not running. You just sorry, 9005. So now it's get started. So this is how you have to change the port number and try to run. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, subscribe and click on like button.